all boy know say, me, not like weapon people. Me say, me not like weapon people, especially when we go drink some money and so can't work. Me go long and jail for say, I say we are wait for him, say we are go up and have intended yard. Me wait. Me don't know where in there put time must go. Then finally him come. Me say, step in the yard. Me say, master. He ram like a ant's nest. So, after we reach there, I think to Mr. Y, empty table, said, Jay must grab the table, they come here, you got jump 6 pound everybody. After we did that jump 6, Mr. Vincent big son come jump 3, bakla kulo, rum panny. So me say, yes, Jay boss. You say, a bad boy drinker, make me say you can't drink like me tonight. Cause you can't do it like me. So me say, after we did a drink your aisle, a drink it down. Me say, relax, got every drop. Jay was drop. Every liquor, he drink down. Me drink one extra one back of him. Cause he can't one like me. So me say, alright now, time now. You know, Galam go tell Pastor. I want to say Pastor again. Pastor good as all and I'm thinking you know. And I'm raw meat. Oh, so after we did it, I would drink, I would nyami, and we guap it down. Right? We did it, I guap it. We say, relax, God now, Jay was at a whole time. Me take grown I kitchen. When we reach on I kitchen, all of you say, this girl, Jayed Dasa, go tell me say, no look for food I say till 2 o'clock. Me say, Kuya, what a girl bride. Me say, girl, me take round there. Me say, girl, me know your papa before you make. Me know Vincent before you born. So you can't tell me about no food and shit till 2 o'clock. Because guess what? Man, you can't give man rum for drink and then I can't talk about 2 o'clock. So we take from there and grab one big bowl. Man grab one fork. And dip in a can fork there. And you know me, a man will love me can fork when he well touch. Me touch still in my get a part of it and you pick out some before you cook it. Yes. So me can one for J-Post. Me can one for J-Post because J-Post so long on the like I say in dark. So after me go on there, I will did it, I will dip in it and nyami. And you sweet bad. Me say after we done, I will drink some more hell. Me say alright J-Post now. I say what J-Post. But me say alright, after 4 time, more Latin. So me walk go along Latin we didn't have. Only thing was say, somebody in there. You know what me do? Me go on I Latin back there. 5 pieces of cocoa leaf. And just shut it on it. And yell with that sun breeze no blow. That's me not what me not laughing. Hey, so after me say alright now come out here post. At time we go along up because we know want sunshine get you down there. So me say we are going to Royal Palm. We say J-Post skin over about 20 times. And after me say alright now boy, hold up for me. And take your time and hold up for me shoulder. And we can take your time and go along up the hill. Me say God Almighty we take time go along up the hill. That's what we are sing. But me say yes, me dey think J-Post could have think. So he look like I say, he can't manage. Because he know that king over. Every second that king over. So if we have to say, alright sir, me go down there all of you say, his wife what I do away from him. Wife take, me don't know where he take her vaccine because he try to go in there, but why not just say no way to go drink. So me say, alright sir, me, but he can't do me so. So me say, every time I come post me key and come in my house. All of you find out say, me everything I come like I say bad. I mean, I worry about babies, because babies alright. I don't talk about pastor. Pastor alright. You know what I say? So, you know, go and listen where I go on. And enough more story if we come. Enough. So guess what? Subscribe, do everything. You hear me say? If you don't want to hear, check out the YouTube, check out the Instagram for Blooper, check out everything. Cause me, name Grandpa.